Today we are going to learn how to identify a polynomial. So this is our topic. Now first let us define what are polynomials. A polynomial is defined as, a polynomials. So a polynomial is defined as an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers. So this is defined as a polynomial. Now let us consider some examples. First is 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 3. Then we have 9y to the power 4 plus 6y cubed plus 10y square minus 8y plus 2 by 5. So these are the two examples which are given to us. Let us consider the first example, which is given that 5x cubed minus 4x square plus 6x minus 3. So how can we say that these two expressions which are given to us are polynomials? So how can we say that? Okay, so first let us consider the first example, 5x cubed minus 4x square plus 6x minus 3. I am going to look at each and every term and check whether the given term can be classified as a polynomial or not. Mind you that 5x cubed, 4x square, 6x, each and every term is also a polynomial because it is a monomial actually, right? And monomial is a polynomial. So 5x cubed, here 3 is the exponential, 3 is the integral power of x. Now 3 is a positive integral power, or it is a non-negative integral power, or 5x cubed is a polynomial. Then is 4x square. Here similarly again x is, do not consider the minus sign, just consider this one, only this one. Again x, the power of x is 2. 2 is a non-negative integral power, so 4x square is also a polynomial. Again 6x, I can write 6x as 6x to the power 1. So this is also a non-negative integral power, or 1 is also a non-negative integral power. So we can say that 6x is also a polynomial. Thus the full expression 5x cubed minus 4x square plus 6x minus 3 is a polynomial. Now let us consider the second example, which is given 9y to the power 4 plus 6y cubed plus 10y square minus 8y plus 2 by 5. Here let us consider first 9y to the power 4. Y has the integral power 4, which is non-negative. So 9y by 4, nothing is wrong with that. Then is 6y cubed. Y's integral power is 3. It is a non-negative integral power, so no problem with that. Then is 10y square, again the same thing, no problem with that. And then is 8y, it is also non-negative integral power. So we can say that 9y to the power 4 plus 6y cubed plus 10y square minus 8y plus 2 by 5 is a polynomial. Now let us consider another example. For example, let us take 5x square plus 2 root x plus 3. Let us consider this example. Okay, here I can easily say that the variables are having non-negative integral power, so this is a polynomial. But wrong, this is not a polynomial. It is because x is in the form of a root, or it is in the form of root, right? So the variables which are in the form of root or 2 root x can be also written as 2x to the power 1 by 2, right? So the variables whose integral powers are in fractional forms cannot be classified as a polynomial. So the given expression, or 5x square plus 2 root x plus 3, is not a polynomial. Okay, so again, if another questions come like this, that 5x square plus 2 root y plus 3, then also this is not a polynomial, because 2 root y can be written as 2y to the power 1 by 2. So the integral power of y is in fractional form. So 5x square plus 2 root y plus 3 is not a polynomial. Now let's come to another tricky part. 5x square plus root 2x plus 3. Is this a polynomial or not? For those of you thinking these are not a polynomial, this is wrong. 5x square plus root 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. Okay, it is because here just in last question I explained that root x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. So this is not a polynomial. But in this case, observe that the square root or the root is given over 2, not over x. So here it is a positive integral power. Here also I can write root 2x as root 2x to the power 1. So 5x square plus root 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. Okay, so just keep this in mind, that until and unless anything which is unless which is not acting on the variables, that then it cannot be called a polynomial. So if the radical sign is on 2, then that does not mean that x is also in the radical sign, or x is also having a fractional integral power. Again, let me give you another example. It is, let us say, 66xy square plus 4 root xy plus 3. Will this be a polynomial or not a polynomial? This is not a polynomial, because root xy is given. So root xy can be written as x to the power xy to the power 1 by 2. So the given expression cannot be classified as a polynomial. But again, if it is given like this, 66xy square plus root 4xy plus 3, here see that this root sign is not given on x or y, or the root sign is not acting on x or y. Thus we can say that 66xy square plus root 4xy plus 3 is a polynomial. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the video, and if you have any doubts, please write those doubts in the comment space. Thank you for watching.